In all the years I've lived here, I've never been to this river. It's like a 5-minute drive from Skyline Suites Villa and Spa. What? Let's see what it is about. Oh, mama, take time now. Jesus.
Bad man she love, bad man she love, yeah. Bad man she love, bad man she love, bad man she love, yeah. Bad man she love, bad man she love, yeah.
I love the people river, guys. Like 10 minutes from the villa. And I'm gonna go take a golden experience swing. Golden move, Baba. Oh, little boy.
Been living with a silence that was louder than a
Move from
storm.
there, Baba. Go hit
My
you.
heart was like a boarded house, no longer safe and warm. So I came down to the water where the willow branches sway, to find a different kind of quiet at the closing of the day. I don't need to tell my story or the reasons for my tears. The water keeps on moving, washing out the years, washing out the fears. And I think the river knows why my heart is broken. It just takes away the pain with no words to be spoken. Yeah, the river keeps on flowing, a gentle, steady friend, teaching me that everything will find its way back